Today we are going to talk about locking down your boat using our storm straps. We would provide you a yellow tote, and in the tote you'd have your straps. We've already pulled the stern straps out. You can tell because they are labeled stern. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the free end of the start with and carefully unwind it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to drop the free end down the side of the boat and catch it onto the tie down point that's already attached to your cradle, the cradle of your lift. So we just do a slight swing back towards the boat, and you click real easy. You come up, it goes across. Then you bring all the way to the other side. And what I do, you want to keep a little bit of tension on the strap while you're setting up the rest. So what I'll do is I'll just sort of put my foot on it just to keep a little bit of tension on it, and grab the other side. Carefully undo these. You gotta be careful because if you drop these hooks or this ratchet onto your deck, you're likely to chip your gel coat. So you always want to think very carefully on how you're handling your straps. So we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to drop the hook down the side, swing it back, and down, and hook it right on. So now we're going to talk about ratchets. So right now the ratchet's in the locked position. This position is where the ratchet will have its maximum strength. So to release it from this position, you have a secondary handle in here. So you're going to pull on that and you can see how this piece moves. So when that pulls forward, you can then swing this handle kind of independently. And if you just pull it halfway, it's not going to ratchet. So what I like doing is moving the center piece. So now it ratchets. So what we're going to do is we're going to feed the strap in from the back. The way I look at it is I see this as being kind of a mouth. This is the mouth of something, and this is the back side. So, and you also look at it, this is kind of flat, this is not. So this is considered the back of the ratchet. So I move the ratchet enough so this piece is going straight up. Oops, I missed it. That way it makes it easy when you grab your strap just to send it right through. What I do is I grab the back side of I grab the ratchet here, and that allows you to start ratcheting. Once it gets snug, then you don't have to hold the pieces anymore. So now you're gonna ratchet. You want this to be relatively tight, so you're gonna do this a few times. You can hear how it starts sounding tight. So once it's tight, what you're going to do is, the ratchet kind of stops at this position. But to get the strength again, we talked about is you're going to do just the opposite. You're going to take this little handle, you're going to pull it forward, and you're going to push down. Once it goes down, again this piece is now locked in, and that's tight. It's giving the maximum strength for that ratchet. You've got an extra piece which you don't want flopping around because you don't want it hitting your side of your boat. So you're just going to take this and sort of wrap it around itself a little bit. Just like that. Now the strap can't catch. So that's how you would strap the stern down. Now, okay, so now we're going to talk about releasing the storm straps from the boat after the storm has either passed or missed us, hopefully missed us. So the ratchet's already locked down, so the first thing you're going to do is you've got this handle, this secondary handle. You're going to pull on that, and now that releases the handle to swing. So then let's go ahead and undo the extra tail of the ratchet. So So what I do is I grab the extra tail of the ratchet of the strap, and then the goal is to get this ratchet straight. So we're going to take this extra handle and push down, and while we're pushing down, we're going to pull up on that center piece a little bit. And since the ratchet's tight, it's going to pop. You see how this is nice and straight now? And if you hold both ends, you can watch this piece, the whole thing will spin off of the free spin in the center of the ratchet. And then you can remove the ratchet. And so to get the ratchet off get the hook off the boat, what we're going to do is just going to take the ratchet, the strap, release it, and twist it. Once you twist it, it sort of comes right off. And then as you raise it up, make sure nothing hits the side of the boat. We're just going to leave this on the deck for now, and we're going to go release this one as well. So again, all we're going to do is just going to let it drop and then twist it, and you see how it just sort of comes right off. Be careful with the side of your boat. Now the straps are off. Now it's just a matter of carefully folding up your ratchets and putting them back in your bag. Thanks for watching.